You'll never believe who wrote this article. That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. Are you curious about Chat GPT? This powerful tool is an artificial intelligence language model that can answer questions, generate text, and hold conversations like a human. It's built on the GPT 3.5 architecture and has a vast amount of knowledge on a wide range of topics. Getting started with ChatGPT is easy. All you need is an internet connection and a device to access the web. Simply go to the ChatGPT website and start typing your question or topic into the chat box. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on its vast database of information. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it's constantly learning and improving. Every time someone uses ChatGPT, it adds to its knowledge base and becomes even more intelligent. This means that the more you use ChatGPT, the better it will become at answering your questions and generating text that is relevant to your needs. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its versatility. It can be used for a wide range of purposes, including education, research, business, and entertainment. For example, students can use ChatGPT to research topics for their homework assignments, while businesses can use it to generate text for their websites and marketing materials. ChatGPT is also very user friendly. It has a simple and intuitive interface, and it makes it easy to use even for those who are not tech savvy. Plus, it's available 24/7, so you can access it whenever you need it. So, whether you're looking for information on a specific topic, need help with a homework assignment, or just want to have a conversation with an intelligent chatbot, ChatGPT is the perfect tool for you. With its vast knowledge base, constant learning and improvement, and user friendly interface, ChatGPT is a valuable resource that can help you in many aspects of life. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an amazing tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks. It's easy to use, constantly learning and improving, and has a vast database of knowledge on many different topics. So why not give it a try? Just go to the ChatGPT website, type in your question or topic, and see what ChatGPT can do for you. And now for the surprise. ChatGPT wrote the article you just read. I keyed in, write a 500-word newspaper article on what ChatGPT is and how you can get started using it. Write it at a fifth grade reading level. What you just heard is the result. So here's my question. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Or can it be both depending on who's using it and the purpose? Next week, I'll share my own perspective. Stay tuned. Thanks for stopping by. And if you've enjoyed this, come over to the website, frankbuck.org. There are plenty of other posts there. There's audio, there's video. And while you're there, if you're not already subscribed to the email list, take an opportunity to do that. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.